Brad Pitt's lawyer exposes Angelina Jolie for lying and destroying Brad. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt's relationship started while filming for their 2005 movie, Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Fans were initially upset with Angelina because she caused the breakup of Brad Pitt and Jennifer Aniston, who were a much-loved couple. But later their relationship was accepted, and Brangelina became Hollywood's most celebrated couple. The couple together has 6 children: Maddox, Pax, Zahara, Silo, Knox, and Vivienne. They've eventually got married in an intimate ceremony in 2014, but sadly the relationship went for a toss in September 2016, when Jolie filed for a divorce from Pitt, citing irreconcilable differences. Since then, the couple has been embroiled in an ugly legal battle for the custody of their 6 children, but it looks like that the case may get resolved soon, with Brad's lawyer revealing some shocking details about Angelina. While recent ugly divorce cases on a rise in Hollywood like Johnny Depp's, the public at large is convinced that women are taking advantage of being females and are trying to spoil the reputation and careers of men, while trying to make them financially dry once the relationship is over. Just like in Depp's case, Amber Heard has lost credibility. Angelina Jolie is also losing her credibility. Now Brad's lawyers are also firing back and slamming Angie for trying to manipulate the case in her favor. While the case is on, out of 6 children, 19-year-old Maddox has already attained adulthood and is now out of scope for legal custody. The battle of the remaining 5 kids, 17-year-old Pax, 16-year-old Zahara, 15-year-old Silo, and 12-year-old twins Knox and Vivienne. Initially, the couple decided to have an out-of-court settlement, but with Angelina hell-bent on getting full custody of her children, the case has taken a nasty turn. Angelina has been accused of using manipulative tactics to prevent Brad from meeting his children, claiming that Brad was physically aggressive towards her and the children. As per them, Brad has a drinking problem, smokes weed, and suffers from anger issues, which makes him extremely dangerous to be around kids. The final nail in the coffin is said to be an unpleasant incident that happened on a private jet 4 years back, when Maddox was 15. Angelina and Brad were having an argument about Brad's drinking problem, and Maddox jumped in to defend his mother, which angered Brad and he lunged at Maddox. As per Angelina, he had to come in between them so that Brad could not physically harm him. She was extremely worried about the safety of her children, and hence decided to separate from Brad. But fans aren't convinced, who think that she's playing the mother card to gain an upper hand over Brad, and is lying through her teeth. In fact, due to her false claims of Brad trying to hurt Maddox, had to suffer a lot. He was investigated by both the LAPD and the LA County Department of Children and Family Services on both charges of physical and verbal assault. Apart from this, each time he came back to meet his kids, a therapist had to be present. He was also made to go through various tests, including alcohol tests, as Angelina had put allegations on him regarding alcoholism and substance abuse. As expected, he came out clean, which means that Angelina had put fake charges on him. Slowly, other sources started coming out, refuting Angelina's claims. As per a close source, Brad had not assaulted Maddox, but put his hand on his shoulder as the argument was going out of control, which can be considered as a normal parent-child interaction. However, Angelina blew his issue out of proportion. Perhaps she has not taken her divorce calmly and taking revenge for it. Brad's genuine request to keep all the court documents sealed from the public to protect the privacy of the kids was used as a weapon against him by Angelina and her lawyer, Laura Wasser, who claimed that Brad was terrified that now his true self would be revealed to the public, and hence wants the documents to be a secret. However, in January 2017, she agreed to have court documents sealed to protect the privacy rights of her and her children, confirming the fact that she lied about Brad being scared of making the documents public. But Angelina had another trick up her sleeve. In 2018, she demanded that the court should expedite the process and blame Brad for not paying meaningful child support, but her plan backfired after Hollywood Life got hold of the documents confirming that she never requested child support in the first place. Also, Brad's legal team revealed publicly that they were the ones who asked for a quick divorce, and he had paid more than $1.3 million in child support and gave a loan of $8 million to Angelina so that she could buy the home in which she currently resides. Thus, Brad Pitt's lawyer exposed Angelina for lying and trying to destroy him. In November 2018, both of them agreed to a custody agreement, but Angelina was still bitter about it, as Brad got more time to spend with the kids than she wanted him to, and agreed that she didn't want to drag her kids to court and make it traumatic for them. But that was a big lie, as in October 2020, Angelina made Maddox testify against Brad in court. Finally, in May 2021, Brad managed to score a major victory with Judge John Outerkirk, granting him joint custody with Jolie after months of witness testimony, including child services professionals who interviewed the kids. Angelina, who had freaked out due to this, tried to have the judge removed, stating that he wasn't impartial in the custody case. But Brad's lawyer, Theodore Brutus, shot back, exposing Angelina's lie and saying that she's playing a delaying tactic as children are growing older and she may influence them against Brad, which will not be possible if he gets to spend time with her children. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing video from us.